Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Dairy Queen app not working. So now, let's start with the process. First step, open Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile device if it's Android or iOS device. Now once you are here, search for Dairy Queen. Here we go. Now tap open the application at the top. Now once you are here, if you see the option of update instead of open, tap on that option of update and make sure that your Dairy Queen application is updated to its latest version. Now let's go back again and follow the another step, which is step 2. Open settings on your phone. Now scroll down below and tap on the option of General. Now once you are here, scroll down below again and tap on the option of iPhone storage. Now once you are here, scroll down below and search for Dairy Queen application. Once you find it, tap on the app. With that, you'll come across this page. Now tap on the option of Offload app. Now tap on Offload app again at the bottom of your screen. Now by following this step, you'll be able to clear cache from Dairy Queen app. Now wait for some time before tapping on Reinstall app, about 1 or 2 minutes. Now tap on Reinstall app again after 1 or 2 minutes. Now wait until your application is being reinstalled, and after your application is reinstalled, if you open it and check it, your problem will be solved. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.